and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Violet. Don't mind about my hair wrap, you guys. I did my hair yesterday and it's very painful, like painful. I can't even sleep, so I've wrapped it like this because I don't need braids. I don't want them to move because I am feeling painful, but zitakuwa sawa very soon, like in 3 days time. They'll be fine. Anyway, if you're new to this channel, my name is Violet. I've already said that, haven't I? Anyway, yeah, and guys, my voice is back. Not back, but at least it's back. I'm not struggling to talk. And as you can see behind me, I have some clothes and bags there to pack. I'm traveling to tomorrow, but I'm packing today, so I am all over the place because I have to make dinner. I am packing, like, guys, this is one of those days I end up forgetting things because I am packing last minute. I've been just busy trying to edit the Mombasa vlogs, and I forgot I also am traveling again, and it's my birthday on Monday, which is on 16th November. So I'm still receiving gifts. The whole of this month I am receiving gifts. So for those who are asking, when is your birthday? Now you know. And by the time I'm uploading this video, itakuwa ishapita, but I am still receiving gifts until the end of November. So yeah, send them gifts. Anyway, okay, let's just pack and then cook and eat and sleep early so that you can wake up very early in the morning. I'm just going to show you all the snacks I bought. I am a snacks person. When I'm traveling, I love buying my own snacks. You guys know I don't buy food on the road because of my tummy. I have to carry my own food. So yeah, let's pack. So guys, these are like everything. I just want to put them inside a bag. Nishazikunja. So those are like jeans, and those are like skirts, palazzos, rompers, dress, tops. And then I have like 2 bed sheets. I've just learned if I'm going somewhere, I should just, like, for emergencies, I should carry my own bed sheets, my 2 bed sheets. It's very important and very good to carry your own bed sheets and your own towels as well. So yeah, and then bras and then bikinis. I've carried like 4 bikinis, you guys, because I'll be swimming every single day. It will be like party after party after party after party. So yeah, and then I have like my bags. I'm still deciding on which bag to carry. I don't know, if this won't fit all of this stuff, I'll then carry this one. This one is the one I used when I was going to Coast, but it's big enough. It carries bit mob, and me, if I'm traveling for a week, I carry clothes for a whole month. Yes, and I know I'm not alone. Ladies, you're never sure, so you have to like overpack clothes. Yeah, and then we have like my shoes there. I still have to get flat shoes. These are just heels. Still have to get flat shoes. And then guys, I have like loads of clothes to wash. Loads I've not washed. I've been all over the place since I came back not long ago. So yeah, when I come back, I think I'll have loads of clothes to wash. I'll wash twice. Ndazigawa nusu, then I wash them. And then I'm going to carry this Masai Suka, just for like emergencies and stuff. Yeah, so this is everything, and now it's time to pack. Yeah, I think it's time to pack, but also it's time to. So guys, I am packing, and these are my snacks. I have these Urban Bites. Yeah, these were not my favorite until recently. I tried them and I was like, whoa, they became my favorite immediately. This is always like my favorite. I love the barbecue. They're my favorite. And then this masala stick, the chili in this, if you don't eat chili, don't buy this. Don't. So I have like 2 of this. And then I have like 2 apples, fruits lazima. Then I have yogurt. Then I have this I'll be drinking all the way secretly, although I'll mix it with, I don't know, something like coffee or something, so that I'm like drinking coffee, but I am drinking that. Then I have 2 bottles of water and 2 bottles of soda, which I want to store them in a fridge. What I do is that I store this in a freezer. If I'm doing a road trip, I store this in a freezer, so in the by morning itakuwa ice. Now I carry it like that, so ikiyeyuka nini on the way, so mi nakunywa tu vitu baridi. So yeah, that's what I am going to do right away, and then we will go and pack my clothes. I have, guys, today I've not packed. I'm leaving tomorrow, but I have not packed. So good morning, guys. I feel like my voice is gone again. So I just woke up. I've already showered. Now I want to do my makeup. Today I wasn't like waking up early. I'll do my makeup. Once I am done, I'll have a cup of coffee, and then we should be on our way. Traveling day. I'm always excited about traveling, you guys. I can do traveling for a living because I love going. I love exploring. Yes, so I decided on carrying this bag. If I go with this one, I carry the 1 bag. If I go with the black one, I carry 2 bags. So this is better. I don't mind repeating it. It's not that dirty. So yeah. So guys, I have done with my makeup and I'm looking all pretty. I'm not dressed yet. What I do is that I start with my makeup and then I dress up. Reason being, I don't want to ruin my dress. So start with makeup and then finish up with dressing. So it's time for me to dress and head out. And guys, this is the hairstyle. This is how I look like. Yeah. So these 2 lines coming front, lines to here, and then rasta. We used to call it boys follow me way before. I don't know how it's called now, but maybe the same. But yeah, it's simple but cute, and I have all these long braids, and I'm looking so cute, don't you think? How do you think about my makeup? Guys, for me to do makeup, I need like 45 minutes or 30 minutes, especially the brows. They take a lot of time when doing makeup because you have to make sure they are perfect. And funny enough, lazima moja unapata it has a problem. They don't look alike. I don't know if mine looks the same. But anyway, I am getting late, so let me dress up and then let's go and I will see you. So bye.